because I equal fun.
Cart media.
Wear black sunglasses so you never make eye contact. You make eye contact, forget about it. Here we are, Miraflores, Lima, Peru, and when it comes time to buying those alpaca products that you've been looking at all week long, you want to come to the Indian market right here in Miraflores. But I'm going to warn you, this whole scenario will drive you absolutely nuts. It's super overwhelming because there are hundreds of markets within the market, and they all have roughly the same kind of stuff, and you're going to have people chasing you around, trying to sell you on anything under the sun. But it's the nature of the beast. They want to make some money. You want your alpaca Peruvian products as well as everything else they have. So let's go check it out. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Vamos. Psh. My strategy for picking a place to buy something in is if I walk into a place and nobody bothers me, I'm more likely to buy something. Which is also why when I go into a place and they drive me crazy, I'll tell them, "Qué pena, si me molestas, no compro nada. Qué pena, si me molestas, no compro nada." Yeah, this is absolute system overload. I mean, overwhelmed by all the options, possibilities, and it just doesn't stop erupting everywhere you go. I mean, like, Jesus. You can get lost in this stuff for hours. And if you really didn't find something in the insanity of that market, you could walk right across the street to this other market. Good luck. Have fun. It's what it's all about. Enjoy. Wear black sunglasses so you never make eye contact. You make eye contact, forget about it. I think half the strategy is to like get you lost in here. It's just one huge maze of all the same stuff. You're gonna definitely buy something at some point, which is probably the idea. But as you can see, never ending. Alpaca, alpaca, alpaca. Whew. That was overwhelming. I mean, system overload around every corner, but they have some amazing stuff. There's another one right there. These places are everywhere. Yep, there's another one. I'd say in just one block you got like 2,000 different stores selling pretty much all the same stuff, which is why, like I said, and another, which is why I said I literally cringe having to go shopping at the end of a trip down here. But you gotta do it, you gotta do it. Hola. So that is a wrap on shopping in Miraflores, Lima, Peru. Vamos de compras. Step out of the ordinary, subscribe to Cart Media. You can't get a better, more wild shopping experience than this. I shall see you soon. Ciao. Psh.